Sobra. Good morning. We're at the ilang-ilang tree. So naghanap kami ng pandesal. Wala kami makita kasi nabudol kami ng tricycle driver. So where are we gonna go now? You said you want coffee and pandesal.
Just pandesal and jam.
Huh?
Pandesal and jam.
And jam. I don't know if they have jam. Take out your phone down. Mangita ko no kami pandesal. At jam ko no. But I don't know if they have it. But we'll find out. So we end up going to McDonald's. We bought all of these for McDonald's. What was your
They
question?
call it chicken McWings here.
I don't know. What did you get? How much was your bill? So for local McDonald's, this is what we paid for. It says
About 614 pesos.
almost 600 pesos. We're leaving our other hotel and then we're gonna move in a different hotel now. Yep. We're gonna move into Espacio Verde. Mas maganda yung swimming pool tsaka yung kanilang fresh lumpia. I am back in Espacio Verde. Good morning. See, I like the service. Look at that. It's so pretty. Hi, very welcoming. Look at the chairs.
Whatever, make it.
Okay. Wow, you took a shower already. Wow, TV on. Wow, look at this room. My goodness. And it smells better. My God. So we're back at Espacio Verde. And one of my favorite place here in Rojas City. Look at the lights. Tingnan mo yung view sa labas, Diyos ko. I cannot get tired of this view. Although mainit-init man, tingnan mo naman, ang ganda. Oh. Tahimik sobra. Kung nakikita niyo yan, yung mga yan na andyan. That's bangus. Bangus fish. Akala ko siya tilapia. Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing? I'm having a great time here in the Philippines. My God, I don't want to go back. Bango talaga niya, oh. Grabe. Maganda dito sa Capiz kasi tahimik. Parang nakikisabay na rin sila sa Iloilo. Nakikisabay na rin sila sa mga places na katulad ng sa Cebu, pero hindi masyado. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Sorry, I get really distracted really fast. Masasabi ko pa sa Capiz, ang daming fresh seafood dito. God, it's beautiful. So a lot of people actually said that Capiz has a lot of aswang. I just want to let you know, if you don't want to come here, that's fine, but you're missing out. There's a lot of pretty women here, pretty handsome guys, and they're very, what's the term? Still, parang ano, yung conservative. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I hope you guys will have a great day.